Happy day, students. Today we are going to continue Proverbs part 3. We shall see the rest of the Proverbs. Dear students, see the 71st one. Good things come to those who wait. Patience is often rewarded. Example, the best investors in the world have made their fortunes by investing for the long term. Good things come to those who wait. 72nd one, grief divided is made lighter. If you share your grief, it will get easier to bear. Example, you shouldn't hold back the news of financial loss you have incurred in your business. Grief divided is made lighter. 73, half a loaf is better than none. Getting less than what one wants is better than not getting anything. So example, X asking, did you get the compensation for damage to your vehicle? Y is answering, I was hoping for $2,000 but the judge awarded only $800. Then X is replying, well, half a loaf is better than none. 74th one, honesty is the best policy. It's always better to be truthful and honest even if the opposite may get you the benefits. Example, I think you should just explain what happened rather than trying to cover your tracks. Honesty is the best policy after all. Okay, moving on to 75. Hope for the best, prepare for the worst. Be optimistic, that means you should have positive thinking, but be prepared for a scenario where things can go wrong. Example, we are hoping to raise capital from investors, but it may not come so soon. Therefore, it's imperative to look for the alternatives as well. Let's hope for the best but prepare for the worst. 76. If it ain't broke, don't fix it. If something is working fine, don't change it unnecessarily. Example, X is asking, why do you want to change this component in the machine when everything is working fine? Y, okay, I agree. If it ain't broke, don't fix it. 77. If the mountain won't come to Muhammad must go to the mountain. If things don't turn the way you want them to, then adjust your way to suit those things. So example, I need that book for completing my assignment. If you aren't coming to the college tomorrow, I'll come to your place to take it. If the mountain won't come to Muhammad must go to the mountain. 78. If wishes were horses, beggars would ride. If things were to happen by just wishing them, even the poorest will have everything they want. So example, X is saying, I want to be in a job that would pay me $1 million a year. Y, if wishes were horses, beggars would ride. Stop fooling yourself and work hard towards your goal. 79. If you can't beat them, join them. If you can't beat your opponent, then work alongside them for mutual benefits. Example, ABC Private Limited has struck partnership with its competitor after it failed to gain market share despite aggressive marketing. If you can't beat them, join them. 80th one, if you play with fire, you will get burned. If you do something dangerous or adventurous, you may get harmed. Example, enacting the stunts of movie superheroes in real life is playing with fire. You may get burnt. 81st one, ignorance is bliss. If you don't know about something, you don't need to bother about it. In other words, if you are unaware of something, it won't cause you stress. This proverb, however, is often used in negative way. Ignorance is not bliss. Example, I didn't know that the neighbor next door was involved in criminal activities. Sometimes ignorance is bliss. 82. It's better to be safe than sorry. It's better to be cautious, to be careful than regret later. Example, one shouldn't complain about the inconvenience of security. Check each time you enter the building. It's better to be safe than sorry. 83. It's easy to be wise after the event. It's easy to understand what you could have done to prevent something bad from happening after it has happened. So example, I would have never bought an apartment if I had known that the land on which it has been built is disputed. Well, it's easy to be wise after the event. 84. It's never too late to mend. Mend means to repair. It's never too late to change your wrong ways or habits. Example, X is saying, I still miss my best friend, but it has been a year since our fight and we haven't spoken to each other since. Then Y is saying, well, it's never too late to mend. Why don't you call him up and apologize? 85. It's not over till it's over. Till the event has completely played, you are still in with a chance to succeed. So example, Joe Wilfred Tsonga came back from 2 sets down at Wimbledon to pull off a miraculous win. That's why they say it's not over till it's over. 86. It's no use crying over spilt milk. There is no point in staying upset over a mistake because you can't undo what has happened. Example, X is saying, he's feeling terrible for accidentally elbowing the flower pot from the window. Why? It's broken now. It's no use crying over spilt milk. 87. It takes 2 to make a quarrel. An argument of quarrel is not one person's fault. Example, X is asking, why are you always so quarrelsome? Y is saying, I'm not the only person involved. It takes 2 to make a quarrel. 88. It takes 2 to tango. When 2 parties are involved in a situation, fault usually lies with both. If things go wrong, rarely can one party be blamed entirely. Example, this deal won't go through unless you two are willing to compromise. It takes 2 to tango after all. 89. Keep your mouth shut and your eyes open. Speak only when necessary and remain alert and observant at all times. Example, we are in a hostile territory, so to avoid problems, keep your mouth shut and your eyes open. 90th one, laughter is the best medicine. Thinking positively and laughing will help you to feel better. Example, I think the best thing for you right now would be to spend some time with people you can joke around with. Laughter is the best medicine after all. 91st one, learn to walk before you run. Learn basic skills first before venturing into complex things. So example, X is asking, I want to submit my first article to Fortune magazine for publication. Y is saying, I think you should aim for smaller publications to start with. You should learn to walk before you run. 92. Let sleeping dogs lie. Don't talk about a bad situation people have forgotten and that could unnecessarily create problem in the present. Example, X is asking, should I ask the professor if he is upset about my late submission of the assignment? Y is saying, if he hasn't said anything, then don't bring forth the topic. Let sleeping dogs lie. 93. Life begins at 40. A person truly starts enjoying life after 40 as a result of accumulated skills and wisdom. Example, you see X is saying, I'm turning 40 next month. Y is saying, you look glum. That means you look dull. You should instead be cheerful. After all, life begins at 40. 94. Lightning never strikes twice in the same place. So misfortune does not occur twice in the same way to the same person. Example, X is saying, I don't want to take this route because I was robbed the last time I traveled on this route. So Y is saying, don't worry. Lightning never strikes twice in the same place. 95. Look before you leap. Consider all consequences before taking an action, especially when you can't retract. So example, X is saying, I am planning to pursue an MBA. So Y is saying, it's an expensive degree and moreover, you will be out of work for 2 years. I would say, look before you leap. 96. Make hay while the sun shines. Make the most of favorable conditions till they last. Example, I got plenty of referral traffic to my website from Facebook in its initial years. I made hay while the sun shone. Later on, they changed their algorithm, after which the traffic dried. 97. Money doesn't grow on trees. You should spend money carefully because it's limited. You can't grow it on trees and replenish. Example, I'm surprised that you spent your entire month's salary on a frivolous gadget. Well, money doesn't grow on trees. 98. Money talks. Money gives one power and influence. Example, I don't have access to many people like he has. After all, he is a scion of a rich family. Money talks, you know. 99. Necessity is the mother of invention. A need or problem forces people to come up with innovative solutions. Example, in some parts of the world, farmers use washing machines to clean potatoes in large volumes. Necessity, after all, is the mother of invention. Moving on to 100. Never put off until tomorrow what you can do today. Don't delay doing something if you can do it immediately. Example, you see X is saying, I am done with most of my assignment, but I'll pick the remaining part on Monday. Why? Y is saying, why don't you complete it now? You will be more relieved and in a better state of mind. You shouldn't put off until tomorrow what you can do today. So dear students, with this I wind up part 3 and we shall see in the next class. Thank you.